Welcome back everybody! Today I will continue working on my rusted out floor in my van. And if you caught my last video, you saw me make my very first patch panel. And in this video, I thought I will do all the rest of the patch panels. Like finish off the whole floor. And to make it a bit more efficient, I thought I would cut out all the talking and just focus on getting it done. So if you want to see more talking and less rust repair, watch my previous video. And if you want to see less talking and more rust repair, continue on watching. And on that note, I should probably stop talking and get to work. that was a lot of work. And it's not like I didn't expect it to be a lot of work, but still, it was a lot of work. The van was about to turn into one of those Flintstone cars, you know, the ones where you put your feet through the floor? I mean, those cars are sick, but that's not what I want for my van. And now I can happily report that I can no longer see the road through my floor. But the floor isn't 100% ready. There are actually 3 places that I still have to fix. The first one is around the pillars that holds the rear doors. And technically that's part of the walls, right? The second spot is right next to the side doors. And the reason I left that is because I know I will have to do some work on the outside, and having access from the inside might actually be helpful. And the last spot are these recesses that holds the doghouse. And the reason for leaving those is because I don't know what they should look like. Looking at the hinges on the doghouse, it looks like there is supposed to be something that holds the doghouse down, but I don't know what. So if you know, please let me know down in the comments. That would be really helpful. And besides those spots in the floor, there are plenty of other places on this van that needs rust repair, so I better get to it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!